100 daily conversation questions and answers, personal or general.
How are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? What's your name? My name is Julia. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. What do you do? I'm a student. Are you married? No, I'm single. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have. What are your hobbies? I like reading and watching movies. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What's your favorite color? I like blue.
Daily life.
What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 7. How do you go to school? I go by school bus. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat bread and eggs. What time do you sleep? I sleep around 11 p.m. What do you do after work? I relax and watch TV. Do you exercise? Yes, I exercise 3 times a week. Do you cook at home? Yes, sometimes. What chores do you do? I clean my room and do the laundry. Do you drink coffee? Yes, every morning. How's your day going? It's going well, thanks.
Weather.
How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Do you like rainy days? Yes, I like them. Is it hot outside? Yes, very hot. What season do you like? I like winter. Is it going to rain? Maybe. The sky looks dark.
Social or friends.
What are you doing this weekend? I'm going to visit my family. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I'm free. Do you want to hang out? Sure, sounds good. Can I call you later? Yes, no problem. Do you use social media? Yes, I use Facebook and Instagram.
Shopping.
How much is this? It's $10. Do you have this in a smaller size? Yes, here you go. Can I try it on? Yes, the fitting room is over there. Do you take credit cards? Yes, we do. Can I get a discount? Sorry, the price is fixed.
Food and restaurant.
What do you want to eat? I want noodles. Are you hungry? Yes, a little. What's good here? The fried rice is popular. Can I have the menu? Sure, here you go. Can I get this to go? Yes, of course. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I love it. Do you want a drink? Just water, please. Is this vegetarian? Yes, it is. Can I have the bill, please? Sure, one moment. How was the food? It was delicious.
Travel.
Where are you going? I'm going to the airport. How long is the flight? About 3 hours. Have you been here before? No, it's my first time. Do you need any help? No, I'm fine, thanks. What time does the bus leave? It leaves at 5 p.m.
Work or school.
What do you do for work? I'm an accountant. Do you like your job? Yes, it's good. Are you busy today? Yes, very busy. What time is the meeting? It's at 10 a.m. Do you work from home? Yes, sometimes. What's your major? My major is English. Do you like your teacher? Yes, she's very kind. When is your exam? Next Thursday. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I finished it. How's your first day? It's going well.
Phone and technology.
Can you hear me? Yes, loud and clear. What phone do you use? I use an Android phone. Do you have Wi-Fi? Yes, the password is 225mon. Can you send me the link? Sure, I'll send it. Is your battery low? Yes, I need to charge it.
Health.
Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. Are you sick? I have a small cold. Do you need medicine? No, I'm okay. Do you feel tired? Yes, a little. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well.
Feelings.
How do you feel today? I feel happy. Are you stressed? A little, but I'm okay. Why are you sad? I had a long day. Are you excited? Yes, very excited. What makes you happy? Spending time with family.
Entertainment.
What movie did you watch? I watched Inside Out. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. Do you play any instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite show is Friends.
Preferences.
Tea or coffee? Coffee. Morning or night? Night. Cats or dogs? Dogs. Sweet or salty? Sweet. Summer or winter? Winter.
Small talk.
Did you have lunch? Yes, I did. What did you eat? I ate noodles. Are you busy later? No, I'm free. Did you sleep well? Yes, pretty well. What time is it? It's 3:30.
Polite expressions.
Can you help me? Sure. What do you need? Can I borrow your pen? Yes, here you go. Can you repeat that? Yes, no problem. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Can I ask you something? Sure, go ahead.
Future plans.
What are your plans for tonight? I'm going to relax at home. Are you traveling this year? Yes, I'm planning to. Do you want to study abroad? Yes, maybe in the future. What do you want to learn next? I want to improve my English. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I hope to have a good job and travel more.
That's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed practicing these daily conversation questions and answers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!